are doing amazing. I am back with another makeup tutorial. If you are watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Kalpana. I make makeup and lifestyle related videos. If this is something that interests you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my videos. Also, I am putting up makeup tutorials exclusively on my Instagram. So if you are not following me already there, I will have my handle on the screen and it is always in the description box of every video. Make sure you check that out and I think you will enjoy watching them. So yeah, follow me there. And now let's get started. So in today's video we are creating this glam look right here. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. To moisturize my skin today, I am using this huge tub from Dermafique. It is their Aqua Cloud Hydrating Creme, a dewy moisturizer that deeply hydrates, nourishes and plumps up skin. Look at the packaging, it is so beautiful. I've started using this since few weeks now and I love this already. Just see the packaging. I mean, I can just spend my money just for the packaging. This is huge and it feels so luxurious on the skin as well. If you've been following me, then you would know I have been loving Dermafique products for my dry skin. They are so lightweight, they are so good and affordable as well. They are not that expensive. So yeah, this feels so good on the skin. It has that gel texture and it hydrates the skin so well. I'm just enjoying using this moisturizer. I'm going to quickly massage this on my face. My skin is not in its best form, but stuff happens. I mean, it keeps happening, can't help. And also I'm not taking good care of my skin these days. I can't blame my skin. Alright, my face is really moisturized and hydrated. This is when you should start applying your makeup. Just make sure before applying anything your face is nicely hydrated, moisturized the way you like, so that everything sits on your face beautifully. For primer, I am using this Nykaa Prep Me Up. This is a silicone based primer that smoothens out your skin nicely and blurs out all the pores so that all your base products can sit on your face nicely. Also, background is different today. That is because I'm back to Delhi and I'm filming this in my sister's apartment. There were a few things that I needed to take care, so I had to come here and I'm here for this month, I guess. Yeah, for this whole month. I'm just trying to make sure that my filming schedule doesn't go for a toss, because it does every time I'm here. Filming in your own apartment where there is nobody, literally nobody, that has different level of comfort, you guys. Like, you can be just you don't have to take care of anybody, anything. You just can get up and film anytime. But yeah, it is how it is, can't help. Now moving to foundation, I'm going back to my Nykaa Skin Genius. I love this foundation. If you have dry skin, please give this a try. You will like it because it is very dewy, very lightweight, medium coverage foundation and it feels so good on the skin. I literally love this one. By the way, I am in the shade Warm Sand for this foundation. And yeah, I really like this. Just dotting it on my face. I'll just blend this foundation with the damp beauty sponge. I just want my foundation to be medium coverage, very dewy and very lightweight. I do not enjoy using full coverage and mattifying foundation. That's just not what I like on my skin. Can you see how lightweight and natural this foundation looks? You can still see my blemishes, but this is what I like my foundations to be. They just look so natural, so comfortable and lightweight. And we are going to cover those spots with a concealer. This is from LA Girl. I just like everything about this foundation minus the applicator. I'm just covering my usual areas. The trick to blend a concealer is not to move it from its place, just dab it where the concealer is. So now we have concealed dark spots or dark areas on our face. Time to set all this creamy base using a loose powder that will just make sure that this base stays in place for long. This brush is from Lakara. It is so good to use for your loose powder, and I even use the same brush for highlighter. Okay, before setting your under eye, just make sure there are no creases. I have some creases now, so what I'll do, I'll just blend all these creases using this beauty sponge. I just go back to a beauty sponge and tap all of this product together in my skin. I don't know, my face is feeling a little powdery today. I'm going to fix that up using this setting spray from NYX. It is their Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. All set, now let's move to the eyebrow. I have been using just this product from so many months. I think I switched to this product in I don't know, maybe November, December of last year, and since then I've been loving this product, and that is why I'm just using this product in all of my videos. By the way, I got my eyebrows tweezed very recently, so now filling these eyebrows will be way easier. Like, yes, I did eyebrows pretty quick today, like within 3 minutes. Okay, now for eye look, I'm a little confused. I have two palettes to use today and I'm not able to figure out which one should I. The first one is this palette from Makeup Revolution. It is their Forever Flawless Decadent palette. It is literally flawless. Like, can you see the colors? Oh my god, the quality, color choice, everything of this palette is top notch. My favorite color from this whole palette is this from Luxe. Like, I don't know if you can make a difference, but this is so beautiful. The next one could be quite new and surprising for you all. It is from Lottie London. It is their Living My Best Life, and look at this palette. Oh my god, it has some beautiful shimmer shades. They are super pigmented. I have already used this blue shade in my birthday makeup video. Okay, I am using this Lottie London palette. I'm just feeling this palette today. I'm still not sure what eye look I want to wear, but let's see, we'll figure it out. For transition shade today, I want to go with this color. The name is Fam Bam. I'm taking this on my fluffy brush. I'm just placing this color in my crease. Just blending this color nicely. Transition color is all blended. Now to give some depth, I am using this deeper shade right here. It is a deep mauve color and the name is Red Velvet. And I'll place this in my outer V section carefully. Next I'm taking this matte shade in light beige or maybe white. No, not white. It's very light beige color. So I'm just taking this on my flat brush and I'm going to apply this in my inner area. I'll show you how. It isn't showing up much, but I'm just trying. I'm wetting my brush with this makeup fixer first and then dipping in this white shade. I don't want to use concealer. I just want a very soft ombre kind of look, so I'm not using concealer. Let's see. This color is not coming. That's clearly not working. Not working. Now I can see some pigment. Maybe the brush was not fine for that look. So maybe the brush that I was using, the flat brush from Wet n Wild, This was not made for that color, and this is, I use Lakhara E007 and it instantly gave the pigment. So this is what I was talking about. I just wanted a very soft ombre kind of thing going on. I did not want it to use a concealer to give those defined creases. No, this is what I was looking for, and I perfectly got it. Just using this mauve color in my crease once again to deepen it up because it has lightened a bit. I'm just using the transition shade to blend in the lower lash line. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is I'm taking this small pencil brush, small pencil brush, and I'm taking this dark black from the same palette. The name is very interesting actually, not No Shade. So I'm taking it and I will be using this as a kajal. You can also use a kajal, but I just wanted to use eyeshadow to make it look very blended and soft and very light. I did not wanted anything jet black sort of thing. My eyes are actually turning out exactly what I planned in the beginning of this video. So yeah, I'm happy till now. Okay, I used to use a kajal in my lower lash line, but recently I've been enjoying using a white kajal in my lower waterline. So that's what I'm gonna use today. This one is from Maybelline. It just makes your eye look open and big. Yeah, I will just curl my lashes and put some mascara. I'm going to apply falsies later on. Finally, eye look is complete. There are days when I just do my eye makeup in just, and then there are days when I just keep sitting in one place for hours doing my eye makeup, and yeah, time to bring back some life on my face using a bronzer, and I am going back to my holy grail bronzer from Rimmel. I'm just taking it using the bronzer brush that I've been using. This is from Pro Arte. Now for blush, I'm using something that I've been loving lately. These are the matte blushes from K by Beauty. The shade is Coral Charm. They appear so velvety on the skin. The texture is so beautiful and they are pigmented as well. So you just need to take care while using them. Otherwise fixing everything will be an issue then. So I'm just taking a little bit. Little bit of it on nose and chin as well. I think I can add more blush. This is way too subtle for my liking. I'm using a Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter to highlight all the high points of my face. On lips, I'm using liquid lipsticks from Miss Claire. These are new launches. I think they launched last month. Yeah, and the name is Matte Power Lip Color. This is in the shade 02. So yeah, I have used this earlier and I quite like it. It's very comfortable. It's not that drying, and the color range is also pretty good. The staying power is also fine, and they are so affordable. The price of these lipsticks is I think $3.95. I'll mention in the description box so you can check that out here as well. I really like them. The shade is beautiful. It's also going with this look nicely. I have picked two shades from this range. The first one is this one in number 02, and the other one I think is 06. That is also a nude and very similar to this color, but I don't know why we waste money in buying exactly same shade again and again, but yeah, that's how it is. Alright, my makeup is done. I'm just going to set everything using this dewy finish spray from NYX, जिसका ढक्कन अभी जस्ट यहीं पे था और गायब हो गया. Okay, I got it. Yeah, I got it. I applied some falsies off camera and this is our look finally. I am loving this look so much, especially the eye look, because when I started this video I had no clue what I'm gonna do with my eyes today, but we finally did this, and that too unplanned. I'm so happy. Let me know what you think about this look. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, then you know what you have to do, right? Give a big thumbs up to this video, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and also click the bell icon so that you get notification every time I'm putting up a new video. With this you will never miss my videos. So yeah, that's it for today. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.